And what will you do for the 9 number community?
No,
Please tell me.
Actually,
Huh?
actually,
Sir.
for development of education system, teachers have to be good. On the other hand, our parents, guardians, they have to be very much serious about that.
I think,
It
yeah.
has to be imparted to their children.
If you are given forest minister, what will you do? Please
No,
tell
for
me.
me,
Huh?
yes, I am one of the DO force under the forest department. I have got a lot of experiences.
You, I know.
I know.
You have a lot of countless extra. No.
How to run this department,
Sir.
how to function
Sir.
similarly
Ah,
for
sir.
this forest department.
What do you show develop?
Certainly,
Ah,
if
sir.
I am provided fund, definitely I will do something.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, his name is what? Motilal Busumotari. He is the candidate of 9 number Bonargaon
Yes,
constituency. Now, present, I want to know we want a strong candidate. Who can? Certainly. Whether how many supporters are coming daily?
Every day,
Ah.
minimum 100 members are coming in my house.
Minimum.
They also visit me.
Whether only both men and men?
No,
And?
including from all communities.
All communities come.
Yeah. Say, in case of Muslims,
Muslim,
they are also
Muslim,
coming to me.
non-Bodo,
Adivasis,
Adivasi,
Nepalese,
Nepalese,
Rajbangshis,
are all they come daily?
Sutradhars,
Sutradhars.
along with Bodos.
All comes, no?
Yeah, they have to be.
Thank you very much. Thank you. After a good bath.